Hello everyone, thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video. So in this video we are going to make a very beautiful flower with a very simple method. So you're going to need 6 pieces of crepe paper, as you can see. So if you want a big flower, you're going to need bigger pieces, and if you need a smaller flower, the same will apply. So stay tuned as we make this flower, and kindly share, like and subscribe to my channel so that the video can reach more people and to also help me grow.